adventure, and we need to look at in waterfalls in Oslo. So this is my story, and please continue to watch my video.
So guys, in my vlog guys, I'm in here in the waterfall, so I need to walk before we go to waterfall. So, and if you try to walking, if you're lazy to walking, of course you can you can decide to come in here or no. Char. Yeah, it's nice to have walking to going to waterfalls.
So earlier we started already to walking. Now we need to walk, and I need to make faster to have of my videos. So I need to really walk long.
In the Lulu and Lula in here.
Okay guys, now we started to walk for the bridge, and now we passing by the first bridge because we passing by 3 bridge before the waterfalls, Kawasan waterfalls. So that's why we passing for the first bridge. Before the passing, we go to the second bridge. This is the second bridge. So while we going passing by second bridge, so we need to walk slowly because it's like to say hi to people for passing by for that tourist. So now we started to have a 3 bridge. This is going to that 3 bridge. So before we go to that 3 bridge, we passing for this one.
So this is the last bridge, and this is the waterfalls.
And this is the last bridge we walking for, and you see the waterfalls already. So while we walking, we see the view of the waterfalls, Kawasan waterfall. So now we go now and finally in here. So we go inside now. We passing the bridge. So you see already the Kawasan falls, the sign, and we go to the people there inside. And now I need to overtake these people. Okay, come on. So that's when we go to the waterfalls, and now finally we are in here. So say to hi people and hi. So now we are already in here. Now, wow, you see the waterfalls finally, very nice view and very cool, and people in here very cool also. So that's why so amazing.
I'm in the I'm in front.
Already here guys, I'm floating on the waterfalls in my back. Yeah guys, naras ako ang likod. Nagka-floating ako na right side, chill lang ba? Anyway guys, it's very cold in here like I said. So we there guys, and many tourists in here guys. So nice in here, and like I'm already floating, yeah. So I'm already so very nice in here. They talking etc. Then me, I'm just like a vlogging in here guys. So I don't know. So oh my god. Kawasan Falls in Moalboal. I know it's belonging by Moalboal. I don't know what is the place in here, but anyway, I'm in the Kawasan Falls. So I'm in the waterfalls already, like this, and very nice. And you know, if you hear my voice, very nice in here, and
very cold. And yeah, hi. The one kicking in your car. Anyway, yeah, but in here very cold, and this is the one of the spots of Moalboal in Kawasan Falls because very nice and very cold, and it's so feel like very fresh in here, nature. So if you come in here, guys, just the entrance fee is 200, but it's worth it for your, and they cut off for the entrance fee for the 3 p.m. So yeah, and I'm in Kawasan Falls. So see you for the next video, guys, of the Moalboal tour adventure, bikini adventure. So maybe we turn around in Moalboal for another place of expat. So don't what you call that, continue for watching my video, and there was an ending of this video. And here, guys, oh, very near na, guys, but it's not allowed to go there. So I need to have video in here like you are going, yes, going, yeah. But anyway, in here, guys, is so nice. So come in here and make more expat for the Philippines, and number one of expat is Moalboal of Cebu City, belong by Cebu City.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.